परित्राणाय साधूना विनाशाय च दुष्कृता धर्म संस्थापनार्थाय संभवामि युगे युगे। शिरडी साई वर्ति साई दिव्य कथा शिवुडे सद्गुरुवै शिरडीलोन उन्न कथा भवुडे बांधवुडै भक्तुल ब्रोचिन सत्य कथा आ गुरुवे पुट्टपर्तिलो ఈశ్వరమ్మకు తనయుండై ఆ గురువే పుట్టపర్తిలో ఈశ్వరమ్మకు తనయుండై సత్యరూపుడై విశ్వమునే ప్రేమతో గెలిచిన మధుర కథ సత్యరూపుడై విశ్వమునే ప్రేమతో గెలిచిన మధుర కథ ఆ కథయే షిరిడి సాయి వర్తి సాయి दिव्य कथा। ఒకే సూర్యుడు ఒకే చంద్రుడు ఒకే గురువు ఈ లోకాన ఒకే కులము ఒకే మతము సత్య సాయి నిలయాన ఒకే సూర్యుడు ఒకే చంద్రుడు ఒకే గురువు ఈ లోకాన ఒకే కులము ఒకే మతము సత్య సాయి నిలయాన భోగులు యోగులు జోగులు రోగులు స్వామి ప్రేమకు పాత్రులే భోగులు యోగులు జోగులు రోగులు స్వామి ప్రేమకు పాత్రులే దేశ విదేశము నేలే నేతలు స్వామి ఎదుట విద్యార్థులే దేశ విదేశము నేలే నేతలు స్వామి ఎదుట విద్యార్థులే ఏ భగవానుని పదములు సోకి భువనమి తరించుచున్నదో ఆ కథయే షిరిడి సాయి వర్తి సాయి దివ్య కథ।
Our friendship is pure and full of love. There will be no true friendship if money or material is involved. There will be no true love. We should be friends for a long time and be able to share our friendship proudly. This must not get spoiled because of money and material. And all I want is that our feelings should not get hurt in the future. Please take back your uniform. Your friend, Satyanarayana Raju.
Satyam, I read your letter. Your philosophy is beyond my reach. It won't be joyful without you. We will lose enthusiasm. You should come without fail. It's my request to you.
Ramesh, I understand your feelings. I will try my best to join you. All right?
All right.
Tell him we don't have money for such unwanted expenses.
Kondalu? Kondalu!
What happened, Satyam? How come here?
You wanted my old books, didn't you? Look, I have brought them.
Show me. Satyam, are these old books? But they look like new.
I have not used it since I bought it. That's why it looks totally new.
How much should I pay?
Give me half the price.
Half the price means?
10 rupees.
What? 10 rupees?
Yes, only 10 rupees. If you give me 10 rupees, I will go to the Pushpagiri carnival and do social service over there. That's why I'm selling you these books.
Satyam, for me that's very costly. Somehow, I've been able to collect only a small amount of money from my father's hard earnings, that too with difficulty. So I can't pay you that much.
Do not worry. Give me only 5 rupees. Keep these books with you.
Huh? Here are the 5 rupees.
Kondalu, do study well.
Satyam, I will never forget your kindness.
My God! So many coins! This must be mine, only mine! Where did you get this money from? Did you steal it from my cupboard?
I have not stolen this money. It's by selling my old books that I have got it.
You sold your old books? To whom?
I sold them to Kondlu. He's very poor, but a nice fellow. If you don't trust me, you can ask him yourself.
Why should I ask him? You both are in this together. He is for you, you are for him. As if he'll speak the truth. Let your brother come. The truth will be out. Then we'll see. Do you understand? Ha!
Mother, what happened?
Satyam says that he has got this money by selling his books. So I was inquiring whether this is true or not.
Why, Satyam? Where did you get the money from? Tell me! Did you sell your books? Listen, we gave you those books to study, not to sell. We have been hoping that you will complete your studies and get into some very good job. But you are absolutely not concerned about it and are selling your books? Disgusting. We don't know when you will understand.
It's not like that. I did it for...
Keep quiet. Don't utter a single word. I will lose my temper now and then I don't know what I will do. Just get lost. Get lost! Disgusting.
My money. All my money.
Oh my God! Oh, my stomach is aching a lot. Oh my God! Oh, Mother! It's so painful. What should I do?
Satyam, what happened to you?
My stomach is aching a lot. I don't know what to do.
Did you take any medicine, Satyam? You'll be fine if you take some.
No, I have not taken any medicine.
Satyam, we are all ready to go to the carnival. Why are you not ready? Aren't you coming with us?
No, I'm not.
Then we will also not go.
How can we go? None of us will go.
Don't say that. You all go there. I'll come somehow.
So you promise you'll come?
Yes, I will come. It's my promise to you. You all know I never break my promise. You all carry on. I will see you at the Pushpagiri Carnival.
You must definitely come.
I'll come definitely.
All right, Satyam, we'll take leave.
Let's go.
Come on, let's go.
Even at that tender age, Baba was always ready to serve humanity. He walked 10 miles and reached Pushpagiri.
Poor thing. Did Baba walk for such a long distance, teacher?
Baba's legs must have been aching. How did he walk so long?
If Baba could feel the pain, he had the strength to bear it also. Right from his early age, Baba did not mind suffering in order to achieve his goals. Though Baba, being a divine child, experienced pain and pleasure since he was born in human form, so he suffers pain as part of his duty, dharma.
So sad, teacher.
Truly speaking, Baba is Lord Sri Krishna, who lifted Govardhan mountain with his little finger, and Lord Sri Ramchandra, who protected the sacred yajnas of sage Vishwamitra. In fact, our Baba is beyond all suffering and pleasure.
Please tell us, teacher, what happened after Baba came to the carnival?
After Baba reached Pushpagiri, he slept through the night. In the morning, he had his bath in a small stream and headed for the carnival.
Are these BDs and coins yours?
No, my son.
You have to bet an anna for an anna, a paisa for a paisa, and if you are correct, try your luck, man. Try your luck. 50-50.
I bet 2 annas for this one.
2 anna. All right, let us see if you won or lost. You won. Collect your item and give me my money.
Here, take it.
Come on, bet. Try your luck. Don't escape. No magic, no cheating. Come on, play. You want to bet?
2 annas for this torch.
Here you go. Try your luck. Let us see what you win. Yeah, you won it. Come on. Red. No, come on. Which man wants to play? Come on. Try your luck. There is no magic, no cheating. Everything's open. Jackpot.
Here, 2 annas.
Come on, place your bet. Yes, gentlemen. Come on.
2 annas.
Place on 3.
4
Place on
annas.
4
annas.
Come
3
on.
annas.
Try your
1.
luck. You win, you win. If you lose, lose. Aha! Everything is mine. All of you have lost. I have won the money. Come on. Anybody, come on. Come and try your luck. Yeah, here you go. Jackpot. This is the winning. Paisa for paisa, anna for anna. Otherwise 50-50. What boy? Want to play or just watching?
Just watching.
Just watching. No one can stop you from winning. Place your bet.
All right,
You
I
bet? How much?
1 anna.
That's great. You look like a smart boy. You will definitely win. On which number you want to bet?
I bet on 2.
Aha! Yeah! Yeah! This is called luck. Here comes 1 anna and 1 anna, 2 annas for you. Want to continue? Tell me fast, my boy. Tell me fast.
bet.
No, we'll bet only for money. How much you want to bet? Tell me fast.
2 annas.
2 annas, great. Look like you're blessed by Goddess Lakshmi. Very fortunate boy. 2 anna, 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 2 anna. Aha! Very good.
Uh-huh. Good for me, bad for you.
Here comes 2 annas, 2 annas, 4 annas. Now tell me next bet.
1 anna.
What? 1 anna? What did you say? 1 anna? Hey. You're so fortunate, boy. Goddess Lakshmi is along with you. You can win more, my boy. You bet 4 annas, you win 8 annas.
I bet 4 annas.
Aha. Keep betting like this. You will soon become a millionaire, my boy. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Place your bet.
I bet on 6.
Ah, Hey, number six. What is happening? I had thought I will fool others. He is making a fool of me. Now what should I do? Here comes foreigners, 8 annas. Now how much you will bet?
1 anna.
What? Once again? Why 1 anna? Why 1 anna, my boy? I told you are riding on your fortune. Bet your 8 annas, you will win more. Come bet, lovely boy. Come on. Come bet.
4 annas only.
Once again, 4 annas, I
Hey,
told you.
do what he says.
All right. Whatever you want, you bet. Come on.
I bet on 4.
Number 4. Number 4. I told you are favored by amazing luck. Looks like he's going to shave me clean today.
Let's move somewhere else. I think because we saw your ugly face in the morning, we are losing.
Let me tell you, my face is the most beautiful face on this earth. It is because of you two donkeys that I am losing. Now see how I am going to win. You fools, shut up. My boy, now I am going to give you 4 annas, 8 annas. I told you, my boy, you are riding on a fortune today. Listen now, this will be your last bet, all right? Now you have 12 annas with you, my boy. You bet 12 annas and win 24 annas.
12 are enough for me. I don't want to play.
Do you know what you are saying? Bet your 12 annas and take away 24 annas. In this way, you will be very soon millionaire.
12 annas are enough for me.
My dear smart boy, you came just with 1 anna and 1 12 annas. And now you don't want to play? Very good. Boy, you think we are fools? You are a small kid. You don't know who we are. You can't go like this. Place your bet. I say bet.
No, I won't bet.
All right. My dear boy, I am feeling very happy and want to play again and again. You have a good fortune and you have played the game so well.
Compared to mine, what is yours?
You're right.
There should be a limit for desire. One must not cross that limit. Desires are the main reason for sorrow. Desires are the main reason for sorrow.
He is such a small boy. Talks like great scholars. I think what he said is absolutely correct and to the point. Raghu Prabhu, we will stop this gambling and do something else from today. Ahaha.
Yes, all of you have come. Attention! Stand at ease! My dear cadets, the carnival is supposed to be full of excitement, fun and frolic. However, we should not think so. We are here for social service, which will be full of fun and frolic for us. That's all. Cadets, listen. You split into 3 groups. This group, go to the temple near the pond. You will handle the water distribution, and that group will control the traffic. I have already told you what has to be done, how it has to be done, and which has... How, Satyam?
He promised us that he will come, sir. He never breaks his promise, sir.
Satyam, you also go along with them and do service.
Sir, I don't have a uniform. Am I eligible to go?
It doesn't matter, my dear. You have the determination. All of you commence service activities as I told you. Go to your respective locations. Go ahead. Satyam will be your leader. Move.
Right, sir! This way, please. Keep moving. Please move.
Please, in a queue. Don't push. Don't push each other. Come in a queue. Satyam, take this.
Please come forward.
Move faster. Here, one more.
Please come forward.
Come. Cadets, you have done an excellent job in these 6 days. For the remaining 4 days, I expect the same performance from you. You will all have to obtain the Certificate of Excellence for Scouting from our school. You may disperse.
Yes, sir.
Every day did Baba manage to live only on one anna, teacher?
He could manage because he is God.
Is that so, teacher?
During the Pushpagiri carnival, Baba underwent so many difficulties in order to set us an example. To serve humanity, one has to go through severe mental and physical hardships. At a very young age, Baba subjected himself to stupendous hardships to make others happy.
Did Baba not feel hungry, teacher?
Baba would eat just a little. Buying food with only 1 anna, he ate only once a day. Sometimes he would manage with just a handful of water. Moreover, nobody ever knew where and what he ate. And when his friends invited him to eat with them, our Baba would show his right hand and say, "I have just eaten. If you don't believe me, please smell my hand. You could make out for yourself whether I have eaten or not."
But did his hands smell of food?
Baba's palms used to emit the aroma of the food which those children had eaten, and his friends had to believe him. That is the miracle of Baba.
Did Baba serve in the carnival?
Idiot! Baba's purpose to go to Pushpagiri was to serve people. Why is sleeping when the teacher was narrating? Stupid!
Do you know how Baba served tirelessly for 10 days along with his friends?
Satyam, are you eating properly?
Yes, I go alone to have my food.
All right, Satyam. Today you have lunch with us.
I already had my lunch.
I don't believe you. Since morning you've been with us.
Believe me, if you don't trust me, just smell my hands to be sure.
Yes, the smell is there.
Yes, he's right.
Yes, it is there.
Yes, he has finished his lunch.
This way, please.
Whose child is this? Don't cry. Stop crying. Don't cry. What's your name? With whom did you come? Where's your mother? Don't cry. Good girl. Sweet baby. Don't cry.
Hey, pickpocket here. Catch him. Hold him. Take him to the police station. Come on.
Don't cry. Please take care of her properly.
Yes, I will. Thank you very much, boys.
Don't leave her alone.
I will not.
This way. I'll go there.